Today we will be making tortillas. Add the salt through the corn flour and you pour some water in whilst you scoop it around. Be very careful with this, just a little bit at a time. Then you knead with the hand until you get a firm dough. When it is nice and smooth, you leave the dough to rest for about 30 minutes. Out of those, you make 14 balls the size of ping pong balls. Then you put some fat-free paper and you put, for example, a silicone mat. Then you put the dough ball on it and another piece of fat-free paper until you get a round pancake with a diameter of 15 centimeters. You can always cut it a bit so it matches the size. You bake the tortillas in a dry hot pan each side for about 20 seconds. You can keep the tortillas under a dry cloth, but then you'll have to put them in a steamer or a sieve above the water so it will roll easier.